Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to log sales in Microsoft Excel and how you can protect specific sales from editing. So let's start. As you can see, we have monthly sales report and we have sales by product and by location. And we want this report every month. So we only want this light blue area to be editable and we will lock everything else. So in order to lock sales in Microsoft Excel, first you need to click here, which will select everything, and then right click, and from the bottom you can select Format Sales, then Protection. You have to make sure this locked is selected, then you have to press OK. Now we have to select the area which we want to leave editable, so we will select this and right click, Format Sales. And then you have to uncheck this and then OK, which means this specific area is not eligible for locking, so it will be editable. So now we have to go to review and then protect sheet. You can make a password if you want to, but it will ask you for the password when you have to unlock or unprotect it. But I'll leave the password and just press OK. This means we can unprotect sheet without any password. Now let's check if it is working or not. I will try to change it. Enter. It is editable. Let's say now I have to make this D. As you can see, it is protected, and in order to make changes I have to unprotect sheet. Then OK. I hope the concept of locking and protecting sheet is clear. If you like this video, please hit like, comment down your questions, and don't forget to subscribe.